Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at Rudy's Hall, here in Lititz, Pennsylvania. And yes, this is another Lancaster elevator with GL Jet Plus. Oh wow, this is hospital sized. Take up to 3. Go back down to 1, door closed but works. It's a nice elevator, I do like this elevator. Like I said, this is hospital sized. Capacity on this elevator is 4,000 pounds. These are your GL Jet Plus buttons. Length your elevator. And there's your floor indicator. And you're back at 1. There's no certificate in here, but this elevator was installed in 2014. We'll go up one more time, we'll listen to the motor going upstairs. Here we go back up to 3. And now we'll end at 1. We'll stand in the back of the cab. Watch the button go out. That was a nice elevator. There it goes. And before we end, I want to show you something out here. As you can see, this elevator could have possibly been made glass because that's where the elevator shaft is located. Anyways, that will be it.